our brother, our Mayor Mamdani, for being here. You grace us and you honor us with your presence, as you have done throughout our movement, and every time you presented this home, which you have helped build. So we always see this as a homecoming. So brothers and sisters, I'm going to turn it over now to our mayor to say a few words to us.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. It is such a pleasure to be home with all of you here at the New York Taxi Workers Alliance. Truly. You know, to be here during the month of Ramadan, it's a month where we know that we fast from sunup to sundown. And every morning as we feel that our lips are parched and our stomachs are growling, and we ask ourselves, what time is Maghrib today? We know, however, that fast will end. We know that at some point that day, that fast will end. And what means so much to me is being here with all of you and remembering the times when we did not know when that fast would end. When all of us were together on a hunger strike. Thought maybe it would be 7 days, maybe 9 days, maybe 11 days, and it would continue until 15 days after we began, November 3rd, 2021. We broke our fast in a way that I always remember during Ramadan. We broke our fast with an avocado that I think was the sweetest avocado I've had in my life. And I bring that up to say that Ramadan, to me, it's such a special month because it's a month where you think less of yourself and more of those around you. You realize that you are part of something bigger than just your own life. And in understanding our place in the larger city that we call our home, I often think of this organization of working class people that has long fought for more than just their own needs, but rather the needs of those whose names they don't even know necessarily. I think about the yellow cab drivers who are there for the Uber rallies. I think about the brothers who don't have a medallion, who have been there on the front lines fighting for debt forgiveness for those who do. I think about the fact that what unites so many in this incredible union is the understanding that solidarity has to be at the heart of everything we do. So I want to say thank you to all of you, and thank you to Verovi, who has been such an intrepid leader, not just for NYTWA, but frankly for this city, in showing that we must fight for more than just ourselves. We must fight for those beyond. And even in this room, I can think of all of the different moments. There are those who I have such fond memories of in 2021 and the years even prior. But there was a brother here whose name I do not even know, who I happened to say hello to, I don't know, a few months ago during the campaign. And he was driving by in a yellow cab and he waved me over. I was on the sidewalk. And he just came up to me. I'm not sure where he is right now. There you are, brother. And he showed me the video and he said, "You remember this?" And it was me and him as I walked over from that sidewalk to greet him as he was driving his cab. And to me, it just shows that even a man whose name I do not know, yet with whom I shared an embrace, Muhammad Nazir. It is only right that I would find him back at NYTWA. Because I know that so much of my joy that I've had in this city has been a joy that somehow, some way, has a root in this incredible union. So I want to say thank you to all of you. And I want to say Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. And we know that Eid is coming soon. And the last thing I'll say is, the meaning to me of Eid, the meaning of Ramadan, it's often found when we are together. And I also know, looking out across this room, there are so many New Yorkers here who have had to break their fasts on their own, who have been driving unable to find a place to park their car, unable to get into the mosque in time or to get to an iftar, and you've had to have that date on your own. You've had to open up your water bottle on your own. And in those moments it can feel lonely. And I just want you to know that no longer will you be on your own. Because no matter where you are in this city, know that there are those of us in City Hall who are thinking of you, even if we don't know your name. So thank you all, always and forever a pleasure, and I'm glad to be here alongside such intrepid members of our administration. If you won't come up here for a moment, come up here for a moment. Come up here. Ali Najmi, come on here. And I know, wherever I am, I know that Ramzi is somewhere making sure I'm keeping everything above board. Can you all just say...
Thank you, Mayor Mamdani. It's such a pleasure to be here. My name is Midori Valdivia. I am the newly nominated chair and CEO of the TLC, the Taxi and Limousine Commission. And for so long, the Taxi and Limousine Commission has loomed over all of our lives. And I am here to say that when we support the people who power our transportation system becomes better. So I'm here to be your champion. I'm here for you. I'm here to listen. And thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. My name is Julie Sue. I'm the first ever Deputy Mayor for Economic Justice. A sign of this mayor's vision that we have to build a city where everybody feels real justice every single day. And I know that is what you all fight for here. And when I was organizing LA taxi workers in California, we looked to Barabee and NYTWA as the model for what was possible, and you continue to show that every single day. I want to say just one last thing because of the reason that we are here. I want to say that the way that this mayor shows up every single day, behind closed doors, in the places that you don't see, where there are no cameras, is even more extraordinary than what you see in public. And so that is true in every single way, including the ways that he embraces all of who he is, the ways that he says that as the first Muslim mayor, this is a city that welcomes and embraces all who are Muslim, and that sends a message to all of us, even those who are not Muslim, that we are allowed to be our whole selves and live our full lives in New York City. And there's nothing more beautiful than that. And I want to just say I'm so happy to be here all
Assalamu alaikum. I was 19 years old when I walked into New York Taxi Workers Alliance. I'm now 41. I was participating in YSS, Youth Solidarity Summer. Bijou Matthew was the organizing leader of that. There he is, Professor Matthew. And that summer I learned the power of drivers being united, the important work of Taxi Workers Alliance. And whatever political project the mayor and I have worked on together, whether it was my council race, the agenda of the Muslim Democratic Club in New York, his first, second assembly race, the mayor's race, we always put drivers first. And to see his name on the door as Mayor Mamdani at the TLC office, it brings such a warm feeling to all of our hearts, especially my heart. We have the biggest champion for drivers as our mayor. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, brother. And thank you, if we can have a round of applause for these incredible members of the team. Truly. And there are so many more who are here with us, but I know that we have fasted all day. It is time, perhaps, to fill our mouths. So we'll pass it over to David.